To set up a fisheye camera, start by navigating to Settings and selecting Devices. Select your camera and head to the Fisheye tab. Enable Fisheye Dewarping. Then configure the mounting type, image rotation, and lens RPL number. As you can see, you can easily adjust the rotation to suit your installation requirements. Next, switch to the View tab to display the camera feed. Use your mouse scroll to zoom in and dewarp the image in real time. The overview window provides a clear reference of your current position within the image. Simply right-click to create a crop window of the selected area. Alternatively, click the Create Crop Window icon directly from the Fisheye overview. The system will automatically dewarp the selected crop area. From there, you can fine-tune the view by zooming in or panning. Notice that you can create multiple color-coded crop areas. As you zoom in, the map on the source camera will update to show your exact reference. You can also close the source window. Your dewarped windows will remain active. When hovering over the feed, a mini map will appear in the bottom left corner. Click and drag the map to pan the view. Save this as a named layout for quick and easy recall. Right-click to change the dewarping mode to panoramic. Finally, click and drag on the bottom map to adjust your field of view.